evening, Sir Imoy. My name is Chris Allen Rowan Villarus, and I am a first year Bachelor of Science in Statistics, and I currently living in Barangay 3, Himamaylan City, Negros Occidental. And my hobbies is taking video, making a video film, taking a picture, and um, joining the fun run, and especially the making music, playing guitar in my church, and our basic and our PE class. I hope this class is I will take a more lesson about physical education, not for myself lang, but for my learning about this particular subject. And I will promise to pass my all my activity in on time. And God bless, sir, and good evening.